Ba't binura mo?
Hindi yun, ito yun yun. Yan. Okay. Tama na ako.
Okay. Ito Coach Sheldon, ituturo ko sa iyo. Dito tayo ngayon sa ating pay plan. Dito, affiliate compensation plan. Earn income 7 ways. Ito yung number 1, weekly fast start commissions. For each person who refer to Live Good who becomes a member and affiliate for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Ang sinabi dito, pag may naipasok ka ngayon, next week, ngayong cut-off, Thursday sa US, Friday dito sa atin sa Pinas, next week, makukuha mo na yung commission mo na
Okay po.
$25. Ngayon, plus if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10th levels deep. Ito yung sinasabi na weekly fast start commission.
Okay po.
Sa level 1, naka-invite ka ng isa, may 50% ka makukuha sa kanya. So,
Okay
yun
po.
yung 50% ng $49.95 is mababayaran ka ng $25. Kasi 50% ng binayad na nagpa-member sa'yo. So, ngayon, kung mag-invite din yung in-invite mo, meron kang 10% sa second level. Yun. Pag naging silver ka naman, up to 4th level ang kitaan mo sa weekly fast start. Yun. Sa 3rd level mo, 5%. Sa 4th level, 5%. Pag nag-gold ka naman, up to 6th level, yung commission mo sa weekly fast start. Sa weekly fast start commission. Yes, tama. Yung number 5, 5th level mo is may 3% ka. Tapos 6th level mo, may 2% ka. Ito yun sa mga in-invite mo, pababa. Ngayon, pag nag-platinum ka naman, up to 8th level na yung yung kitaan mo sa weekly fast start commission. So, ito yung sinasabi na 10th level. Pag nag-diamond ka na, up to 10th level, sa 9th level mo may 1%, sa 10th level mo may 1%. Ayan yung weekly fast start commission, depende sa rank natin. Nagets mo siya?
Opo.
Oo. Ngayon dito na tayo sa sa matrix commission. Ito. When you lock in your position in Live Good, you are given your own business center in our past billing to buy 15 matrix. To buy 15 matrix. Ano mo? As more people join Live Good every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there, following their enroller. So, the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. So, ito naman ngayon yung yung possible na kitaan sa sa matrix commission. Pag ikaw ay unrank, from level 1 to level 12, yung kikitain mo is $2,047.50. Pero pag napuno mo na yan, ng mga tao yan, mapil mo na yan from level 1 to level 12. So, mapuno yan, unrank, wala kang in-invite. So, mag-aantay ka kung kailan mapuno yan. Pero possible na income mo, itong $2,047.50 a month. Pag puno na ha. Pero kahit hindi pa naman puno, basta may napil dyan na tao sa may na-spill over dyan sa mo, from level 1 mo to level 12, babayaran ka pa rin ng 2.5% sa bawat mga nagsasubscribe dito na nasa matrix mo. Kahit ilang tao yan, babayaran ka. Ita-times mo yan dun sa sa 0.25 cent dollar kung ilang tao yon. So, ganon. So, kung ikaw naman ay nag-bronze na, ma-unlock mo yung level 13. Ma-open mo yan. So, ngayon, ang possible income ng bronze, $4,095.50. Pag napuno pa rin din yan ha, sa bronze ha. Pag napuno pa rin yan, yung level natin ng tao. So, ngayon, pag nag-silver ka naman, ma-unlock Hanggang level 13 pa rin yung yung silver. Pareho sila ng kitaan, possible na kitaan pag napuno. $4,095.50. So kung nag-gold ka naman, Coach Sheldon, ma-unlock mo yung level 14 dito sa Matrix. So ngayon, pag napuno din yan, gold rank ka na, ito yung possible income mo, $8,191.50. Pag nag-platinum ka naman, ang possible income mo, pareho lang sila ng gold, $8,191.50. Pero kung nag-diamond ka na, ma-unlock mo yung level 15 sa matrix. Yun yung sinasabi na 2x15. 2x15 matrix. So, kung mag-diamond ka, ma-unlock mo yung level 15, ang possible na income mo monthly sa matrix, itong $16,383.50. Pag diamond rank ito yung possible income niya. Pag napuno din ng matrix niya.
Okay.
So, ngayon, mapunta na tayo sa matching bonus. As shields as the past start commission and matrix bonuses our matching bonuses are even bigger. On the top of $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commission on everyone you enroll, and a percentage on anyone those people enroll 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. So, ngayon, dito sa matching bonus, ang personally enrolled mo, may 50% ka. Pagka silver ka, may 10% ka sa first generation. May 10% ka pa rin sa second generation. Yan yung matching bonus dito sa silver up to second generation. Yung commission mo. Pag ikaw naman nag-gold is up to third generation. Ang commission mo. Pag ikaw naman nag-platinum, up to fourth generation. So, ngayon, pag ikaw naman ang nag-diamond, ay up to fifth generation. Nakita mo yan, di ba? Totalin mo yan. 50, 60, 65, 73% ang commission mo pag ikaw ay diamond. Ayun. So, ito naman halimbawa sa matching bonus. Dito naman sa matching bonus, halimbawa, kumita ng $1,000 yung direct invite mo, may 50% ka doon sa matching bonus. Sa kinita niya doon, sa matrix kanina, sa matrix. Kung halimbawa, kumita siya ng $500 doon sa matrix niya. So, ikaw naman, dahil direct invite mo siya, meron kang 50% doon. Imamat sa'yo ni Livegood. 50% doon sa $500. So, magkano yung sa'yo, Coach doon sa 50%?
$500.
Yung kinita ng invite mo doon sa matrix, income is $500. So, ngayon, sabi ni Livegood, mamatchan ka niya ng 50% doon sa kinita ng invite mo. So, meron kang $250. Okay. 50% galing sa $500. So, ganun tumatakbo yung matching bonus. Tsaka yung itong sinasabi ko na pag silver ka na, may may generational bonus ka na up to 5th level. Ito yung sinasabi dito. If you are a platinum, for example, you will also get the gold. The gold and silver generation matches. So, someone on your second silver generation may also be your first generation gold. On your first generation platinum, you would get a 10% second generation silver match, at 5% first generation gold match, and a 5% first generation platinum match on that person's entire matrix. Ito yung sa platinum na up to fourth generation ang kita mo. May 5% ka sa first generation, may 5% ka sa second generation, may 5% ka sa third generation, may 5% ka dun sa fourth generation. O, di ba ganun kalalim yung ano, yung kitaan. Kasi hindi lang siya dun sa 50%, may generational pa na ano, na bonus. Ngayon, ito namang sa retail commission naman, Coach Sheldon, ganun din dun sa weekly past start commission. Kung halimbawa may bumili dun sa ano mo, sa retail shop mo, may bumili dun. Nakadepende din sa rank mo yung weekly past start mo naman dito sa bintahan. Ito yung ano, it's one of our life-changing products, has a member price and a retail price. While most people choose to take advantage of our amazing membership for just $9.95 per month, so they can save much more with member pricing. Some people may just want to make purchase and retail prices. As an affiliate of Live Good, anytime one of your referrals makes a purchase, as a retail customer, you will earn 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. So, retail commission are paid following the same payout structure as past starts commission. Unlike past start commission that are only paid out one time. Retail commission can be earned unlimited times every time retail customer places an order. So, dito sa retail customer, Coach Sheldon, ang sabi dito, kung magkano yung magkano yung difference ng retail, ng members price and retail price, kung magkano ang difference nun, meron kayong 50% doon. Halimbawa, ang difference ng member price at retail price is $10 kunyari. Meron ka doon 50%. Doon, hati kayo ni Live Good. O, di ba maganda? Tapos, nakadepende pa din yun sa rank mo. Kung ilang level ka babayaran. Di ba maganda, ano? Nakuha mo na ko, Sheldon. Ito naman customer acquisition bonuses. Ito naman, Sheldon, ay binibigay. Binibigay ito. Wait lang. In addition to earning a past start commission when you enroll a new member, when any of your personally enrolled members place the first product order, 10% of that order is paid out a customer acquisition bonus following the same structure as our past start commissions and retail commissions. Ito naman, pag halimbawa yung direct invite mo, nag-order ng product, direct invite mo na yun siya, di ba? So, ngayon, meron ka dong, ibibigay sa'yo din na 10%. 10% dun sa in-order, sa first order niya. First order ng direct invite mo. One time lang yun mangyayari, one time ka lang babayaran yung first order lang. So, maganda pa rin, di ba? Kasi one time ka babayaran, pero up to 10th level pa rin. Depende sa rank mo. So, ngayon naman, dito naman, Sheldon, sa influencer bonuses naman, Sheldon. Ito naman yun yung, kung magkano yung total retail sales mo per month, halimbawa is $2,500. Meron ka dun commission na, additional commission na 10%. Depende dito sa sa sales. Ito naman ay ginagawa to ng, kung halimbawa influencer ka, tapos madami kang maraming nagpapalo sa'yo, dami nag-order. So, ito yung mo, yung halimbawa itong mga kinikita mo, mabibigyan ka dito ng ito yung sa computation. Kunyari, buminta ka ng $50,000, meron kang 50% additional doon. So, ngayon, ang commission mo, bali 1% na. 1%, sorry. Bali, magiging 100% ang ibibigay sa yung commission dito. So, total commission on personal customers. Example, if you have over $25,000 in retail customer volume in a given month, and the member pricing for that volume totals $17,000, for example. The difference between the member price and retail price is $8,000. You will earn 50%, $4,000 in retail in retail commission plus an additional 40%, $3,200 in influencer bonuses for a total of $7,200 in commission on that volume. Ayun, ito yun. Halimbawa kung magkano yung sales mo. Sa 2,500 may 10% ka, sa $5,000 may 20% ka. The rest pababa. Ayun. Kung magkano yung sales mo. So, ito naman na yung diamond rank. Di ba, familiar ka na dito sa diamond rank. Diamond bonus pool. 2%. 2% ng buong sales ng Live Good. Paghahatian nyo ng mga diamond. Yung 2%. So, sa Crown Diamond naman, 0.5% naman. Paghahatian din ninyo to, yung buong sales ng Live Good. Paghahatian nyo rin kung ilan kayong Crown Diamond. Yung 5% nun. Diba? Okay lang, Sheldon, diba? Madali lang, Sheldon.
Opo.
Diba? So, ngayon ito yun, what's our compensation plan video to learn. So, kaya maganda din na itutur mo lang yung dashboard. Andito na rin mismo yung yung explanation kung paano kikita, diba? As an affiliate.
Opo.
Ito sa compensation plan. Ayan, mo na ko, Sheldon, no? Nakuha mo na, no?
Opo.
Okay.
So, napakaganda po ng inyong explanation, Coach Juby. It is the wonderful to think that and laging ulit-ulitin para maalala. And then, ganyan palang kitaan po sa Live Good. It is wonderful. And thank you, Coach
Very
Juby.
life-changing.
Very life-changing. Kung sisipagan, gagawin mo, may mangyari. Aaralin mo, matututunan, sasagawa mo, tagumpay. And salamat, Coach Juby.
You're welcome.